Let's do something a little bit different today. Let's take a look at I don't even know what to call this, a detachable hub motor kit. There's a battery and ESC is in here also. Here are the hub motors. Let me just show you how it works. Okay, let me first demonstrate a use case. So let's say I'm skating around. Oh man, I get tired. Oh, I'm so tired. I don't want to push anymore. I can't take it anymore. What I can do is I can take out these motors and battery and I can just attach them. So this just goes on like this. And this goes on over here. And these plug in here. And yeah, that's it. Turn it on, turn this on. And there we go. Now I have this abomination that I can use so I don't have to push anymore. I've never actually tried this. This is literally my first time trying it. Oh my God. Oh hey, it's not too bad actually. Interesting. So even with 6 wheels, I can still turn. Let's see if I can carve. This is actually pretty neat. Let's try the brakes. Oh, brakes are kind of weak. I was actually kind of surprised at how well that worked out. I mean, it looks ridiculous, but it was actually okay. So on screen, it looks like this display is flickering, but in person it's actually not. But right now apparently I'm in the normal mode. And to change modes, just click on this button twice. Yeah, now it's in high. Yeah, let me try the high mode now, because in the normal mode, I had a bit of trouble climbing up this incline. So I'm just gonna ride over there and ride back. So here's an incline. Okay, much better. Brakes are still pretty weak though, but on the high mode, going up the incline is much better. So I can now think of another use case for this. I guess you can put this kit on like a downhill skating board. You know, you can use these motors to get up a hill, and then when you come down, you take off these motors, so you don't have to walk up the hill. So here's another thing. This battery is actually detachable. So if you have multiple of these batteries, you can, when this runs out, you just swap to another battery. Go up the hill, take these off, slide down, do it multiple times until you drain the battery, and then when you need to swap, you swap a battery. Kind of neat. It's actually better than I expected, because when I first saw it, I thought it was pretty janky, but it's actually pretty neat. Oh yeah, there's actually another way to configure this. You can actually take off the rear truck and the rear wheels and just use these motors as the rear wheels. But I decided to do it this way because if you do it the other way, there are actually a couple of other competitors who probably do it better. But when they do it this way, it's pretty unique. It's very, very easy to detach. Like, let me show you. So just detach this cable, and then this comes off. And this comes off, and that's it. It literally took me less than a minute, and putting it on is really quick also. Plug that in. Plug in this cable. And then plug in this cable. And that's it. So this is kind of unfortunate. They've made it 166.5 watt hours. So you can't take this on a plane. So that's very unfortunate. If they had made this like 159, that would have at least given you the possibility of taking this on a plane and traveling with it. But who knows, maybe they'll have a air travel safe version in the future. That would actually be pretty awesome. But yeah, I think for this product, the unique selling point is the ability to attach and detach it really, really quickly. Like without screws. Like I didn't have to add any holes to this board. It just mounts onto the rear truck holes. If what you're after is performance, this is probably not the kit for you. Like the acceleration's okay. The brakes were really, really weak. So I think this is more for situations where you need motors temporarily. Pretty unique product, actually. So it didn't feel jerky or anything. It takes a while to speed up. Again, like I said, this isn't the type of product you want to use for like regular riding. I mean, it felt okay. Carving on it, it was okay. I thought it would be really weird, but it actually wasn't. But still, it's more like something that you put on temporarily and then you detach it when you don't need it. You attach it when you need it, detach it when you don't need it.